There will be a question and answer session and an opportunities a photo opportunity session. And today our host is the president of Group Seguin, Federico de Galambert, and the floor is yours.
Thank you, Emanuela. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming on the stand today. Today is an important step for us as a key professional exhibition, as well as the official international launch of the Speedbox by Stark, a very innovative product that we are proud to welcome on our stand and in our group. The Group Seguin is a French family company that I'm happy to manage since a little more than 10 years. Our guideline is design and quality. The group includes 3 manufacturing companies, Seguin, Axis and GGC Bordelais, and since 2016, Spita. We're about 100 workers, have more than 300 partners in 25 countries. I think the most important thing for us is the quality of relationship we try to build in the long term, both inside the company and with our key partners. We'd like to thank especially our export partners, some of our abroad friends that made the trip today. Narita Motonao from Japan, Pete Lindy from the UK, Erki and Andrus from Estonia, Marie and Joseph from Lebanon that are not far, and a lot of other ones. The merging between Seguin Group and Spita came as a mutual attraction. Spita, a startup company that started from scratch and heavily invested time in the development of the Speedbox, co-designed by Philippe Starck, was looking for an industrial actor to accelerate in production and sales. On our side, we saw this project as innovative, design, customer-friendly, and we felt it could be the ideal base for further developments in our market. I think it was also a human story of opportunity. After our meeting with Guillaume Bout, founder of Spita, the Spita team, Kevin, Nicolas, Thomas, Benjamin, and later, of course, Philippe Starck, that designed the product. We just really wanted to continue working with these people. We believe we can push and accelerate the technical development of the Speedbox in the years to come. To tell you a bit more about the product, let me now introduce you to Guillaume Bout, founder of Spita and co-developer of the Speedbox by Stark.
Okay, thank you, Emmerich. First, it's a great pleasure for me to be here with you, Emmerich, your team, the Speed Boys, as I like to call them, and of course, Mr. Philippe Starck. So welcome to you all. After Emmerich introduction, let me introduce technical features of the Speedbox by Stark. Excuse me. So, the concept is based on a modular and automatic stove. The technology developed by Spita is based on an airbox to control airflow using the Speedbox app that I can show you here. Right here. Okay, so this app have been developed by Spita also, with the hardware, and the software have been developed also. This app control the combustion and also other features to improve well-being. Regarding the firebox by itself, it's an airtight stove, double glassing for security reason and also for well-being. Thin glass air system, a speed booster, which is an electronic start assistance. The combustion is automatically controlled to improve efficiency. A automatic system adapt the combustion regarding the setup done on your app or directly regarding the temperature of the room for the full mode, automatic full mode. Accumulators box could be added to this firebox to increase the duration of heat delivery, that you can see here on each side and one above here. Hot air are blown on those boxes to increase the heat delivery and improve again well-being. Moreover, all those features, we can control some other parameters like temperature of the chimney for security reasons, light control, and other features regarding history and combustion. Other boxes can be added to the accumulator boxes, but regarding modularity, philosophy, and history of this speedbox by Stark, let me ask to Mr. Stark himself to do the job.
Thank you. I don't know if I am a designer, but I am also sometime I am also architect and sadly interior designer. And since years I need some wood stove, but all the wood stove in the market was very country style, which was a little difficult to fit in a modern architecture. And there was nothing really structurally deeply modern. That's why when Guillaume arrived with his high technology, I think it was possible to make for the first time the right product. A wood stove is definitively for the pleasure, but also for ecological reasons. Here we have a little more than the wood. We have the capacity, it's okay, capacity. The capacity is very, very important because when your fire is down, that continues to heat. Something very simple, we know it, but it's very important to have it in a very simple way, and we shall come back on that, also a very flexible way. That means you can make the capacity with the stone of your garden, with what you want, any colors, any size. Flexibility, I repeat, we shall come back. And also the major is the electronic. How the electronic drives the fire, how the electronic takes the best of the energy of the wood. It's very, very important. And now something which is very important is we can say the customization or the flexibility, because now we have the right product, but why I shall design the product you need? Because here you are all different. You have a small house, big house, country house, apartment, I don't know what, but you have different needs. That's why I cannot design for each of you the best stove. You will do it. And for you, for the architect, for the interior designer, it's really a perfect kit to make exactly what you need. That means the modularity is a secret of modernity. That's why between the electronic, the capacity, the flexibility, and also the customization, because we shall add more and more and more colors, more and more different accessories. And finally, it's like your iPhone. In your iPhone, you have your application, and all the applications make a universe. You will have a universe speedbox. And this universe, I repeat, is made to fit exactly your needs. This, for me, it's interesting because also, I repeat, I don't design it. We have designed it. It's not over design. It's a sort of elegance, a discreet elegance, which is also very important because sometimes we need sculpture, sometimes we need something very quiet, something which can disappear in your house, because in your house there is things more important than a wood oven, there is you. I think today we present you perhaps one of the first really modern wood stove. It's a new generation. It's that come from the intelligence of them, and this have the elegance of intelligence. Thank you very much. And Guillaume have also, he opened the box and you have beautiful accessories. In this you have some brush, some...
Yeah, here is the ash. And even without electricity, you can manage the wood stove manually. It was one of the priority. And you have all the accessories in the door. And the ashtray with the lever.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Qualcuno ha domande? Do you have any questions for Mr. Felix Stark or Guillaume?
La resa termica, kilowatt, la potenza.
It's 5.5 kilowatts. It can be regulated from 4 to 9. 4 to 9 kilowatts. 4 to 9, depending on the regulation.
Fino a 9 kW.
Complimenti Filippo. Bravo, complimenti veramente.